Hello everyone, I'm Ramesh, and welcome back to KnowledgeSprout. Today, I'm excited to share with you the top 5 AI tools every student should be using in 2025. If you want to study smarter, save time, and boost your productivity, then this video is definitely for you. So, without wasting any time, let's jump right into the list. Tool #1. ChatGPT. The first tool on our list is ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT is an AI language model that can answer questions, help with writing, and explain complex topics in simple words. For example, if you're struggling to understand a difficult concept like quantum physics or a math problem, just ask ChatGPT for an explanation in easy language. It can also help you draft essays, generate ideas for projects, or even create practice questions for your exams. What I personally love is how it saves so much time by giving instant answers and suggestions. Tool #2, Notion AI. Next up is Notion AI, an incredible tool for organizing your studies. Notion is a note-taking app that has recently added AI features to help you summarize notes, create study plans, and brainstorm ideas. You can create digital notebooks for each subject, track your assignments, and even set reminders. The AI can help you by converting your long notes into concise summaries, making revision faster and easier. Plus, the interface is clean and customizable, so you can build your own perfect study system. Tool #3, Grammarly, a writing assistant that every student should use. Whether you are writing essays, emails to teachers, or answering questions, Grammarly checks your grammar, spelling, and punctuation errors. It also improves the tone and clarity of your writing, which helps you communicate your ideas more effectively. Using Grammarly ensures your assignments are polished and professional before submission. Tool #4, QuillBot. The fourth tool is QuillBot, an AI-powered paraphrasing tool. Sometimes when you write answers or essays, you need to rephrase your sentences to avoid plagiarism or just to make your writing more interesting. QuillBot helps by rewriting sentences in different styles while keeping the original meaning intact. It's really useful for students who want to improve their writing skills and create unique content. Tool #5, Canva. Finally, we have Canva, a design tool that's perfect for creating presentations, posters, and other visual projects. Canva has easy-to-use templates, so even if you don't have any design experience, you can create professional-looking slides and project materials in minutes. Good presentations can make a huge difference in how your teachers and classmates perceive your work. Plus, Canva also lets you design resumes and social media posts, making it a versatile tool for students. So, these were the top 5 AI tools that every student should start using in 2025. Remember, these tools are here to help you work smarter, not harder. By incorporating AI tools into your daily study routine, you can save time, stay organized, and improve your overall learning experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to KnowledgeSprout for more useful study tips and tech tools. I'm Ramesh. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.